friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now the next video from Power Screw. In previous video we have seen introduction of Power Screw. In that we have learned what is meant by Power Screw, applications of Power Screw, advantages of Power Screw and disadvantages of Power Screw. Now in this video I am going to explain what are the forms of threads. So let us begin. Forms of threads. So there are four types of threads. First is a square threads. One type is a square threads. Second is trapezoidal threads. Third one type is acme threads. And fourth one type is buttress threads. Now let us see one by one. So these are the square threads. You can see in square threads the shape of thread or the shape is square shape. And pitch means what? P is what? Pitch. Pitch means distance between two successive points on threads. So that is nothing but pitch. So these are the square threads. Then the second type is trapezoidal threads. You can see the shape of thread is trapezoidal. And the angle between two threads is 30 degree. And pitch is nothing but the distance between axial distance between two successive points on threads. That is nothing but pitch. So the shape of these threads are trapezoidal. Then the next type of thread is acme threads. So you can see the acme threads are also having trapezoidal shape, but the angle between two threads is 29 degree. In trapezoidal threads the angle is 30 degree. All things are same but only angle is different. So in acme threads the angle is only 29 degree. And the fourth type of thread is buttress threads. You can see in diagram buttress threads having shape. So one side like square threads and another side is like a trapezoidal thread. And the angle between the two threads is 45 degree. So these are the four threads. Now let us see one by one. So what are the square threads? So in diagram you can see what is the shape of square thread. So this type of thread is used for screw jacks, presses and clamping devices. You can see this type of threads on a power screw in screw jacks, presses and clamping devices. Now advantages of these threads. So first is it has more efficiency. So if you use these types of threads in screw jacks, presses or clamping devices, you get more efficiency than trapezoidal, acme and buttress threads. Then the second advantage is no radial pressure or side thrust on the nut. So there is no radial pressure or side thrust on the nut due to screw. This is the second advantage. Then the third advantage is it has a self-locking property. It has self-locking property. The load does not lower on its own. It has a self-locking property. So these are the main advantages of square threads. Then the next point is disadvantages of square threads. So what are the disadvantages? So first is it is difficult to manufacture. These threads are difficult to manufacture. Then the second is it has less load carrying capacity. It has less load carrying capacity because threads are straight, having square shape, so that rapid wear is there between threads of screw and nut. Due to that, failure occurs. So it has a less load carrying capacity. And the third is wear becomes serious problem in this type of threads. Wear is a serious problem. Now see, second type of thread is trapezoidal threads. So where it is used? It is used for lead screw. It is used for lead screw in lathe machine. So you can see on lead screw, you can see trapezoidal threads having angle 30 degree. What are the advantages of trapezoidal threads? So first is, it is economical to manufacture. Manufacturing is easier than square threads. So it is economical to manufacture. Then the second is, it has a large load carrying capacity, because the thickness of thread at the root is more than square threads. It has a large load carrying capacity. Then next point is disadvantages of trapezoidal threads. So what are the disadvantages? First is, it has less efficiency than square threads. Second one is, it results in radial pressure or side thrust on the nut. So it results in radial pressure and side thrust on the nut. Then the next type of thread is Acme threads. So the difference between trapezoidal and Acme thread is only angle. That is, in trapezoidal thread, the angle is 30 degree. In Acme threads, the angle is 29 degree. But all other things are same. So trapezoidal and Acme threads are identical in all respects except the thread angle. So the thread angle is 29 degree in Acme threads instead of 30 degree. 30 degree in trapezoidal threads, 29 degree in Acme threads. This is only difference. All other things are same. That is, advantages, disadvantages, applications are also same in case of Acme threads. Then the next type of thread is buttress threads. So these buttress threads are used for connecting tubular components. You can see if component is tubular, you can see threads having buttress type of threads. That is, this shape you can see on tubular components. That is, one side is straight and another one is inclined. And the thread angle is 45 degree. So what are the advantages of this buttress threads? First is, it has higher efficiency. It has higher efficiency than trapezoidal Acme threads. Then the second advantage is, it is economical to manufacture. It is also economical to manufacture. And the third advantage is, it is stronger than all other threads. It is stronger. Then the next point is disadvantages of buttress threads. What are the disadvantages? First is, it can transmit power and motion only in one direction. So only the disadvantage is, it can transmit power and motion only in one direction. This is the main disadvantage of buttress threads. So these are the types of threads used in power screw. So thank you very much.